Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, so what we're doing is we're doing a kill key or a key turn. So you buy these like this, okay, and it's your standard key. There we go, that's better. So there's your standard key. Now if you want to use it, you can use it on a screen door, a deadbolt, wherever you want to use it, just with a turn snib. So what I'm going to show you now is how to make it into a kill key, but it is actually removable. So with this one here, this is the Carbine ones, these are very good. What I've done is I've taken my sample key and I've duplicated the cuts onto it. So that means it's going to go into the lock and work. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to follow the instructions and I'm going to put that nice straight edge on it, which is how you make a kill key. I'm going to file that down and I'll just quickly do that now. So you've got to not affect any of the other cuts, but I want to put a straight edge on the trailing ramp. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see that now. So this height here is the same, this height here is the same, but right here it has an edge on it, not allowing the pins to be pulled back. So what I do now with this little tool that it comes with is I slide it along the side and it completes the key blade as if it was a key blank. Now if I take a cylinder to test if it was working, I slide it in like so, okay, I pull this out and then I try and take the key out. I can't, it's stuck in there. So I come with my tool, I slide it all the way to the back, I can take it out. Now with this cap on the back, you put the cap on the back and you tighten the screw and that's it. It's just basically a turn snib. When you want to remove it, there's a hole in the back. This tool slides all the way down the side, as you see, and basically bypasses the, lifts up all the pins to the height of 0, bypasses it and allows you to slide the key straight back out as if it was a key blank. Now there is one little exception here. If you've got a 5-pin or a 6-pin, this is a 6-pin key here. What they do there is there'll be 2 notches here, 1 and 2. If you're doing a 5-pin one, you can just use your this part here, use this part as your shoulder. If you're doing a 6-pin, you move it back and then you tighten it. It's pretty much in the instructions right there. So pull it out for 6-pin, leave it as it is for 5. And that is the Carbine Capture Turn Snib, available from drlockshop.com.au. Thanks for watching.